Qbic technology is looking at the world through a new lens. While people continue to display limitless potential, the methods we use to conduct daily activities are still far from optimized. Qbic uses its vast pool of talents and resources to accelerate everyday processes, making the world we interact with as intelligent, quick, and responsive as the people living in it. Qbic's team of expert designers and engineers specialize in developing professional ARM x86-based technologies for various vertical markets and demands. As veterans with a deep understanding of small form factor embedded computers, mobile PCs, and server-to-smart systems, we provide a total solution for industrial and commercial clients. Qbic is certified to cater to the most demanding industries, including software to hardware implementation, facility management integration, home automation, and automotive and medical grade systems. We provide top-tier quality assurance to ensure the results can always match the client's desired outcome. Qbic provides in-depth consulting to help customers see their unique ideas come to life. It's our job to guide each and every customer through the product life cycle to ensure ODM products meet the industry's highest standards. Our engineering process delivers practical improvements by analyzing functionality, performance, and manufacturing in order to reduce production cost and energy and maximize profitability with the best ROI. Qbic's vision is to create innovative technology that helps make life easier with our end-to-end solutions. As a certified and trusted partner, we're driven to help shape your ideas into reality. For additional information, visit our website at www.qbictechnology.com or send us a message at sales@qbictechnology.com. Thank you.